I told you could start making money passively this year 2025 without working around the clock. In this video, I have 5 legit income streams that you can start making money from. Yes, guys, without any upfront cost at all. Let's go. Passive income is a dream for many, and this year 2025 is the perfect time to dive in. Let's talk about the 5 proven ways you can start earning money without working. Yes, while you sleep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to let you know whenever I post a fresh money making video ideas. Income stream 1, print on demand business. With print on demand business, you can design products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases. Yes, you can print any of these products and have them sold on a website or on a platform like Sarah, Amazon, Teespring, and so many other websites. Yes, and in this business, you don't handle inventories. And this platform helps you to ship the products to you. Yes, guys. So this is a business that you can start at the comfort of your home and make money from it. This is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to create and sell custom products. Yes, without the need of inventories, without the need of large investment upfront, production facilities, and so on and so forth. It is an easy business to run. Yes, this business is so easy that anybody can do it. You can use it as a side hustle while you work your 9 to 5. You can even turn it to be your main job because it's stress free and you make money out of it. It helps you to it helps you also to ship the product to the customer. Yes, guys. Number income stream 2, real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding like fundraise allows you to invest, yes, in real estate with low initial amount. Yes, and you will start earning returns, yeah, rent and properties appreciation without having to buy those property yourself. Yes, real estate is a money making machine these days. Yes, if you get one good deal in real estate, it can cover your 9 to 5 job salary for like 6 months. Yes, that is why real estate is a big deal. It's a good business to venture into. It's a good passive income stream to venture into. That is to say, real estate funding allows and provides accessible and low-cost entry into the investment of real estate. It allows individuals with low money to invest in a varieties of products that will typically require a huge amount of money to invest. While it offers potential of high returns, investors should be aware of the risks involved, such as market volatility, yes, platform risk, yes, and liquidity challenges. These are the things that an investor needs to consider before venturing into real estate crowdfunding. Careful diligence is the key when selecting a crowdfunding platform. Yes, and also understanding the risk associated with a specific investment opportunity. These are the keys. These are the things you need to put in consideration before thinking of real estate investment. Despite the fact there are a lot of returns that comes with it, you should also put in consideration the risk that is associated with it. Income stream 3, dividend investment. Dividend investment or investing allows you to earn money through stock that pays you dividends. Yes, while it requires some initial investment, once it's set up, yes, the dividend provides you with a reliable passive income stream. Yes, that is why dividend investing is good. You invest in stock market. Yes, there are so many companies that are selling their stock. You can invest in stock of Facebook. You can invest in stock of Coca-Cola. You can invest in stock of so many companies out there and be earning your dividends. This dividend is a passive income stream that will always pay you good dividend. So don't waste that $1, that $2, that $5 that you have. Think you can start with investing $1, $2, $5, depending on the amount you want to invest. Don't think that it's too small. No, nothing is too small. $5 can earn you money that you will not imagine. Yes. So utilize every opportunity of making money this year, 2025, especially this from these 5 income streams that I've been mentioning so far. If you have found anyone that you think that is interesting to you for you, please drop it in the comment section. Let's know the one you want to venture into. Let's know the one you want to start with. Let's know the one you want to invest on. Yes, guys. So let's continue. Another income stream 4 is selling of digital products. I cannot stop emphasizing on selling of digital products because this is a way you can make money that require you can make money through this means, and it is stress free. You make your money while you are at home, while you are sleeping. That is why I will always emphasize on digital products, selling of digital products, selling of that God-given knowledge that you have, selling of that talent that you have. You are not even selling everything. You are selling the one that you bring out. Yes. So selling of digital products is another income stream that will always pay you off, that will always pay you. Make use of Fiverr, make use of Seller to sell these products and make money. You can sell printable, you can sell pictures, you can sell software, you can sell your courses, you can sell books on this platform. So sell digital products and make money. This is another income stream. Once you create them, they can be sold repeatedly without you having to do any other thing else. Yes, yeah, that is how good this selling of digital products is. Yes. Number fifth income stream, which is the last but not the least, is affiliate marketing. Yes, this is one of the best ways to earn passive income. Yes, guys. And once you set up a blog or a YouTube channel, you can promote other people's products using that your channel, using that your blog. Yes, and once anybody buys using your link, you get paid your commission. Yes, and you have started making money. Yes, years and years to come, this money will keep coming. I always emphasize this on this affiliate marketing because it pays a lot. The commission that comes from it is unthinkable. Yes, imagine where two people uses your link to buy a product from any of these websites, Amazon, Fiverr, Seller, Temu. Yeah, imagine when imagine when two people uses your link to purchase a product from any of these websites in a week, and next week another person buy, and you know when they buy and they are satisfied with what they got, they will buy more, they will be eager to buy more, and as they are buying they are referring other people. You keep making this money, and that your link is always there in your bio, in your description, and people keep using them and you keep making this money. So consider affiliate marketing to make this money because it is one of the best way you can make money this year 2025. We are here to make this money. We are here to grab that bag. So I don't know about you. I am here and I am ready to grab my own bag. So if you're not ready to grab your own bag, I don't know what is keeping you from grabbing your own bag. But me, myself, and I am ready to grab my own bag. So let's make this money together this year 2025. These are the best 5 proven ways. So these are the 5 awesome passive income streams that you can consider in this year 2025. Whether you want to start earning via investments, promote other people's products, or create your own products, yes, these are the 5 awesome ways you can start to make this money. There are so many opportunities out there, so utilize them. If you are ready to start earning passively, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know the one that you are most excited about to start earning money. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how you can start making money online this year 2025. See you in my next one. Bye.